The only truth that truly matters is seeing for yourself how reality works. To see through it, to see the mechanisms, to see the movement of energy, and to be able to bend it under your will. This is the only truth that matters, the only truth right in front of you, the reality that is playing out. To see how it is playing out, why it is playing out, how you are causing it to play out. This is the only truth that matters. Everything else is narrative. Narrative that has been programmed into you through definitions, through logic, through education, through religion, tradition, culture, belief systems. These are collective agreements on how reality works. And they have created a specific reality, But for you, as someone who is attempting to transcend cycles and to know thyself and your exact position and altitude in the scheme of existence, in the entire cosmic scheme, you have to detach from the collective narrative to see directly. Reality in front of you is a thick mirror. When you walk in it, every step you take, this is just a projection. It's like a movie playing out. You only get tired because in your mind exists words like distance and mile and kilometer and far and near. Without these concepts within your mind, you cannot get tired. Even the term tired. If it was not for language, you would not be in strife or in struggle or in hardships. Language, words, definitions, interpretations, observations of others that you have adopted and believed and taken as your truth has created your reality. A radical acceptance of this truth, that everything that is happening in front of you is by your own design, is the start of wisdom. Abundance, money, wealth, longevity, let's say generational wealth, and the ability to control dying and being born. This is infinite intelligence. This is omniscience. This omniscience cannot be kept from you. The only thing or the only person or the only ego that can keep it from you is you and has been you.